I'm going to show you how to install a different color wheelie bar on the E-Revo 2.0. This is the wheelie bar mount you'll need. And this, a lot of people have been telling me this won't fit, but I seem to think we can make it work. It's the wheelie bar for a Stampede, Rustler, Bandit, but it's blue. I wanted it to match the body color. I'm a big fan of green, but if you look at the paint scheme of the body, it's green in the front, blue in the back. So I wanted to maintain a consistent scheme of blue in the back. That's why I went with it. Start with the wheelie bar mount. This is what it looks like. And basically, this piece right here, you see that, push it down, and that's what releases the wheelie bar from the body. So what's going to happen is this piece is going to go right in there. I'm going to remove the spoiler. I'm going to remove these two screws here, here. What you'll find out is these two screws don't just unscrew all the way. Use some needle noses or something to pull them out. Alright, so pull that one out from the right side over there. And need to pull this one out too. So it's kind of easier just to grab onto it and then pull it out with your finger. That one's out. Remove these two screws. There. The easiest way to take these out, just an Allen wrench. Take this one out too, and then basically push up on the bottom. You'll see down here, pulling that out, and just take this, go underneath it, push it over the top. If you can see, basically right here, that lip's on the top of this piece down here. So once it's there, you just push it over it, clip it down in there. And what happens is this piece goes under there. This piece clips in like that. Now if you notice, with that mount that was put on, it has a little lip. So this right here is longer. So the screw that comes with the mount kit is this one. The one that we pulled out from right here goes down the top. That's this one. So the one with the mount kit is a little bit longer so that it fits through the additional plastic that is added with the wheelie bar mount. Now we're just going to take both of those screws and put them through there. And just screw those two in for now. remember that these push in some, so I was just trying to get it in the hole by turning it. Now they've grabbed. Those are in there tightly. So a couple guys were saying that this wheelie bar won't go on this E-Revo. What you didn't catch in the parts I listed was this piece that's part of the body mount. So basically what this does is it slides up in here, clips in, and what happens is this piece right here, you remove this part and this part, and then the wheelie bar fits on this part and this part right there. Then you can adjust it. Screws are installed. Pull that part out. So then you take the wheelie bar, grab the mount, slide it in there, like that, and just line up that hole with this. Fasten it. Do the same on the other side. Line it up. So now the first part's in there, the top part, like that. And then you just do the same thing with the bottom parts. Line it up. Screw it in. Same with the other side. And that's what it looks like when it's assembled, and that's on the highest setting. So we'll put that in there. That's how it looks. Second highest setting. Third highest. That's the lowest. Two things I recommend doing. One of them I saw someone do, and I thought that was a great idea, so I'm going to kind of copy that. But that is, there's the space right between this part and the plastic. What I did was just took two small pieces of mounting tape, kind of like weather strip tape, and I left the non-adhesive side, the backing on this side, the sticky sides on the other. And all I'm going to do is bend this forward, and you can do it either way, but just stick that down in there. What that does is, once this goes and clips into the clip, having that stuff behind it pushes it out further, so it'll give you a snugger clip onto the mount that's on the body. My other suggestion is based on the mini E-Revo I had and the Rustler. These always come undone during hard jumps, so what I have is just, you can get anything close to this. I ordered this on eBay. I think it's like Velcro. And basically, instead of using anything to permanently fix it together, I just use this, because what happens is it allows me to adjust the wheelie bar still without, cutting any permanent tape, or I think I've seen someone's glued it, tried to glue it before, Gorilla taped it together, zip ties also I've seen held, but this way I can just wrap this Velcro around it, and that's not coming off until I want it off. So I wish I had some blue Velcro, but I don't, so this will have to do. And then all that's left is basically sliding this into the mount, and it just clips in. Then you have the wheelie bar installed on your E-Revo 2.0. Make sure you reinstall the screws on the back end. So that's it, the install for the wheelie bar, so you can have a different color on your E-Revo. There's also a green one, and I believe there may be a pink one. So if the part numbers are something like 3, 6, 7 something X, most likely the last number, the 8, is a different number. And if it's wheelie bar for the Stampede, Rustler, or Bandit, it should fit if it looks similar. I've seen a guy put a green one on. I have not seen a pink one, but they're all the same part, I would assume. But just check with your local hobby store before you install it.